Dan seperti pada sore hari ini, bersama-sama kita saksikan dalam salah satu program Pesta Kesenian Bali, yaitu Bali World Cultural Celebration, perayaan budaya dunia. Akan kita saksikan pementasan kolaborasi dari seniman Bali dan luar negeri, yaitu Gamelan Dharma Suara from New York, USA. Well, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, we would like to say good evening and welcome to Siranawa Hall Art Center Denpasar. Still the agenda of the 48th Bali Art Festival 2026. And tonight, in the program of the Bali World Cultural Celebration, we will present to you performance from the Gamelan Dharma Suara from New York, USA. So we kindly invite the Dharma Suara Gamelan players, please enter to the stage. Baik, terima kasih hormat dari para penabuh dari Dharma Suara Gamelan USA. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we will read about New York. Gamelan Dharma Suara is a certified member coalition of musicians, dancers, and composers who present the Balinese performing arts through a uniquely American lens. Dedicated to tradition along with development and exploration through new and commissioned works, our repertoire balances work by and in collaboration with Bali's leading artists such as Idewo Ketut Alit and Igusti Nyoman Darta, as well as American composers such as Vivian Fang, Matthew Welch, and Joel Malin. Since our founding in 1989, we've established ourselves as the premier Balinese gamelan in New York and have performed at iconic venues including Lincoln Center and Asia Society, and at the invitation of presenters such as Carnegie Hall and World Music Institute. Responding to an unexpected invitation to perform in the Bali Arts Festival Popular Gongkobiar competition, the first received by any Western ensemble, the group Tour Bali in 2010. Hadirin para penonton, para pecinta seni, Gamelan Dharma Suara from New York, berbasis di New York. Gamelan Dharma Suara ini adalah kelompok yang terdiri dari 35 musisi penari dan komposer yang menampilkan seni pertunjukan Bali melalui perspektif khas Amerika. Dengan komitmen terhadap tradisi serta pengembangan eksplorasi melalui karya-karya baru dan karya pesanan khusus. Repertuar kami memadukan karya dari kolaborasi dengan seniman terkemuka Bali seperti Idewo Ketut Alit dan Igusti Nyoman Darta, serta komposer Amerika seperti Vivian Fang, Matthew Welch, dan Joel Malin. Sejak didirikan pada tahun 1989, kami telah mengukuhkan diri sebagai grup gamelan Bali terkemuka di New York dan tampil di berbagai tempat ikonik seperti Lincoln Center dan Asia Society, serta atas undangan penyelenggaraan ternama seperti Carnegie Hall and World Music Institute. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and now for the first performers, we will present Gamelan Dharma Suara. We will perform on a Semara Dana Gamelan made by Pandey Wayan Suparto. This instrument set is being commissioned by our artist and resident Igusti Nyoman Darto or Gusti Koming and will be complete before summer 2026. In the first performance, they will present Tabuh Lelamatan entitled Lambda Serpentis, a star so singularly luminous it can be seen by the naked eye from Bali and New York. Composed by Gusti Koming, Lambda Serpentis is a contemporary interpretation of a classic Tabuh Lelamatan. Ladies and gentlemen, so here it is, Tabuh Lelamatan, Lambda Serpentis.